Hey guys, welcome to this new video, and in this one I'm going to show you how you can create free YouTube thumbnails and for free. Free YouTube thumbnails for free. Yes, you don't have to pay for Photoshop or anything like this. So let's jump inside and have a look at what and how you can create it for free. So guys, here I am uploading. I've completed the uploading of a video, and I want to put a thumbnail in my video, in front of my video, so that when viewers view the video, they will be curious what is inside the video. So uh, so let me take you to a website that will help you create the thumbnail for free. And the website, guys, many of you guys know it, is called canva.com. Now, canva.com is a free website as well as a paid version, but you can use it, you can create a Canva for free, a thumbnail for free. So you don't have to type in YouTube, guys. I will tell you, just go to create a design button here and custom dimensions, type in 1910 or 1920, and the height can be 1080. So that's how you do it, and you create design. You'll be sent into another page where Canva will provide you all your sheet where you can design it. Now, most of the time, if you type in YouTube thumbnail, you will you will look, you will have different templates on what you can choose, etc. But what I want to show you that you can create one from scratch within minutes. So I wanted to have a black effect here and some money here. So I'll just drag it and place it here, the square shape. It is taking time. I don't know why. Because my laptop is this is it. I want it to be black. I want the color to be black. I don't want to have title of. Good. Now, if you have pictures that you want to upload, you go onto the upload options and you upload a picture. I believe I've already uploaded a picture that I want inside my yes, here it is, inside my thumbnail. I'm talking about making money with YouTube and clickbank. So let's take this, just increase the size, and that's it. And here, guys, I can bring it forward by right clicking and selecting bring forward. As you can see, it brought the black square forward. Now the text style, I want the text to be big, to be beautiful, to be to have this look that says click on me. So I can choose this one. I can choose this one and make it bold. So let's choose this one. The process can be faster, guys, because I don't know, my laptop is a bit slow today, and I can ungroup them and select a color and make it white so that I can see. And see, my laptop is, so here it is. Now The title of my thumbnail should not be the same as the title of my video, because it's just a waste of opportunity. It is a waste of grabbing someone's attention. If my title says the same thing as my thumbnail, so what the use of the thumbnail? But what I can do is to put it this way. So the title is how to make money with YouTube and clickbank. Okay. So earn let me drag this one here. I can grow the size, I can increase the size, I can put it, I don't know why. Why is it so slow? It is lagging. It's lagging too much. That's fine. You want to test the patience for a man? Give him a slow laptop like this. So earn, just copy and paste, and I'll just pause this video and continue to edit this Canva, I guess. Oh. So I can increase the size of the yes, here it is. Can do it like 120. Let's have a look at how it is. Yeah, it's good. And since I'm talking about YouTube and clickbank, guys, it's better to have a picture of YouTube and clickbank. So if I type YouTube PNG, why PNG? Because there's no background with a picture. There will be a no white in the background, so you will have only YouTube. So I kind of like this one. So let's see if I can download it. Yes, I believe I can. So if I open the link or the image, let's see if I can download it faster. And at the same time, let's have a look at clickbank PNG. Clickbank PNG. Yes. Yes, I can download it. Doop, 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 doop. And clickbank. So what logo to use? Clickbank, clickbank. Can you use this one? Yeah, that's good. So let's click on it. And yes, this is okay. So I'll save it. Click on save. And check for ClickBank logo. And here we are. So I'll just save image, save. Now back to Canva. I have to put the pictures inside this thumbnail, so I'll go to where I downloaded it and just upload these two files inside canva.com, inside Canva, and they are being uploaded. Here they are. So YouTube has already been uploaded. Yeah, that's something that needs to be changed. If I put it this way, YouTube and ClickBank. So it does not have to be perfect. The message should be delivered like, okay, earn $100, ClickBank, YouTube, and what again? Pretty much it. I can also do this. How to earn, yes. So put the how to. Copy, paste, drag upwards, and just type how to, and drag this to the right. Boom, that's done. How to earn $100. Can increase the size of the $100. I'll just put it okay. Boom. And boom. Done. It is visible, I guess. Can you increase the size? Yes, it is visible. I can just put background. Now, what's the point? Let's put a background and see if it is okay. So, background does not need to be big. It just have to fit at the back of YouTube. So here it is. Just do it like this. Boom. Done. Now what I need to do is right click and send to the back, and just do it like this. Make it this, and if I right click and send it backward, and done. So how to earn $100 with ClickBank and YouTube. And when you're finished with your Canva, if you're satisfied, I'm pretty much satisfied with it, because it arouses curiosity how to earn $100, and there is the logo of ClickBank and YouTube, and with my title. And when you're finished, you just have to publish, and note that click on download, and note that put it in download it in JPG format. So here it is. because it allows your size to be inside your thumbnail, the required size. So you click on download and it is fast. It will download it quite fast, and when it is finished, it shouldn't be slow for you guys. I've got some internet problems. So when you go in your download folder, you will find your thumbnail ready to be uploaded. Here it is, guys, and when you click on next, and this is how you create your thumbnail. Now, I hope you found value in this video, guys, and through this you got to know how you can create a thumbnail for free using canva.com. Please do smash the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss other videos that can give you value and teach you how to make money online. So it's been fun. See you on the next video. Bye bye.